Today I have a really short video for today, and the reason that it's short is because it's really simple. In today's video, I will be working with dates, and in this particular case, I will be calculating the age of our employees, and I'll be using a formula. But before I get started on that, I want to show you a formula that calculates today's date. Equals today, open parentheses, close parentheses, enter. And today is indeed April 2nd, 2022. Now that I have that, I want to show you the date of birth column, highlight all the date of births of our employees, or right-click, Format Cells. And I want that in the date format. And for the age of our employees column, I want to highlight all that, right-click, Format Cells, and I want that in the number format. Okay, let's use a formula to calculate the age of Jan. Equals date IF, open parentheses, and I want to use Jan's date of birth, and a semicolon, space. And now I want to use today's date, as I showed you earlier. Open parentheses, close parentheses, semicolon, space. And I want to show the age of Jan in years. And since I'm going to use Y for years, and since it's the text, I have to put that in quotes. So quotes, Y, end quotes, and close the parentheses. Enter. Jan is 22 years old. And in the lower right-hand corner, I'm going to grab the fill handle, pull it down to calculate the ages of all our employees. So how to work with dates in Excel using formulas. Be sure to check out my other videos. In fact, I'll have a link to another video in the upper right-hand corner, and it will be displayed right about now. Again, thank you for watching.